Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Sir. I'm delighted to have you here. An object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, traveling at a constant speed in a straight line, unless it is acted upon by an unbalanced external force. Think about why we lean back when a bus starts moving. That is inertia at work. A body stays at rest without external force. Welcome mastering Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. Notice how a heavy cart is much harder to push, so more mass requires a lot more force. It's that simple. Newton's second law is all around us. From kicking a ball to pushing a cart or even launching a rocket into space, more force means more acceleration. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction of the applied force. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Push a wall, it pushes back. Rockets fly, swimmers glide, all thanks. Today we will learn Newton's third law. You push a wall, it pushes back. Rockets move up by pushing gas down. Every action has... Newton's first law explains why seatbelts save lives. More force means bigger acceleration. Ready for Newton's third law? To blast skyward. Skateboards and balloons do it too. Every action has its reaction. Now physics easy, right? That's all for today. Like and subscribe to Physics Sir. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.